Prepare yourselves. Elon Musk's urgent, shocking warning about World War III. Russia has begun a catastrophic air, land, and sea war on Ukraine, and its forces are on the outskirts of Kyiv, the capital. As tensions between the West and its adversaries, Russia and China, rise, fears that proxy battles will erupt into a full-fledged Third World War are mounting. However, tech billionaire Elon Musk believes there is a threat much greater than this, one that might spark the next World War. Today we're going to talk about Elon Musk's chilling warning about World War III. Something this terrifying makes us all wonder what kind of secret technology exists out there that could result at the end of the world as we know it. Well, stick around as we reveal the answer to this and much more regarding the imminent threat to our species. So let's begin the video. Elon Musk has declared that he believes artificial intelligence would be the most likely cause of World War III in response to Vladimir Putin's statement that whoever cracks it will control the world. Musk issued this scary warning on Twitter, suggesting that a competition for AI superiority at a national level might start a conflict. A war, according to the Tesla and SpaceX creator, is more likely to be initiated by one of the AIs than by a country leader. Previously, Musk tweeted a link to The Verge's report about Putin's claims, with the caption, "It begins." China, Russia, soon all countries with strong computer science, he followed up with a tweet, "Competition for AI superiority at the national level, most likely cause of World War III in my opinion." Jake Blue, one of his fans, commented, "An automated World War III at that, that's a worry." May be initiated not by the country leaders, but one of the AIs, if it decides a preemptive strike is the most probable path to victory, Musk responded. Musk's remarks were in response to Putin's assertions that whoever masters artificial intelligence will rule the planet. In a meeting with students in 2017, Putin stated that the advancement of AI creates colossal opportunities and threats that are difficult to predict now. He warned that the one who becomes the leader in this sphere will be the ruler of the world. Artificial intelligence is the future, not only for Russia, but for all of humankind, Putin said during the discussion. But he warned that it would be strongly undesirable if someone wins a monopolist position, vowing that Russia would be ready to share its progress in artificial intelligence with other nations. "If we become leaders in this area, we will share this know-how with the entire world, the same way we share our nuclear technologies today," Putin said. While promoting innovation is crucial, skeptics of AI, such as Elon Musk, have warned that as we approach the AI age, regulators must govern artificial intelligence. Musk also stated that businesses such as OpenAI should be more transparent. The idea is that an open and unrestricted research process will likely speed up AI innovation, benefiting all of us, not just the firm that built the AI system. According to anonymous employee accounts, the San Francisco-based business is obsessed with keeping secrecy, safeguarding its image, and retaining the loyalty of its employees. While Musk's concerns about OpenAI are valid, when you compare AI startups in the United States to their Chinese counterparts, such as SenseTime and Megvii, you'll discover that the US-based startups are still far more open. OpenAI has evolved to become one of the world's leading firms for democratizing AI research in just 4 years. So far, it appears that artificial intelligence has overtaken regulation in terms of innovation. Musk and other experts believe that now is the time for regulation to catch up. According to them, business and government institutions are increasingly engaged with AI-based tools, necessitating the evaluation of AI tools and the establishment of a legal framework. That points to an ongoing issue with AI, one that has previously been seen in other tech areas, in which the rush to innovate without any oversight may have unintended effects for the majority of humans. Privacy, cognitive flaws in AI models, monitoring, and its use in conflict are all sources of concern. Many skeptics argue that artificial intelligence can mimic, if not amplify, human prejudices, and that emerging AI-based applications may raise privacy and surveillance problems. As artificial intelligence develops at a rapid pace, international readers are under greater pressure to stay abreast of the technology. The AI race between China and the United States is one of the reasons why AI may not be regulated, as Musk desires. While the United States now leads the race in terms of patent registrations, China is not far behind. This means that the US administration will not stifle innovation by meddling with the operations of private companies like OpenAI. In conjunction with AI engineers, AI ethicists, and government officials, the White House proposed AI guidance examined many of the most extensively discussed concerns. The regulatory recommendations were primarily focused on supporting artificial intelligence innovation and ensuring that restrictions did not stifle excellent innovation. Tech behemoths who are participating in AI's development disagree avidly with Musk on the subject. In a Facebook Live broadcast, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg said that he's optimistic about its development because it has the potential to make a dramatic improvement in people's lives. During the Facebook Live event, Zuckerberg answered several questions, including this one. I watched a recent interview with Elon Musk, and his largest fear for the future was the AI. What are your thoughts on AI, and how could it affect the world? In contrast to Musk and others who have cautioned against the perils of technology, Zuckerberg believes AI will have a variety of good effects on our daily lives. I have pretty strong opinions on this, Zuckerberg remarked. I'm an optimistic person in general. I think you can build things and the world gets better. But with AI especially, I think that people who are naysayers and kind of turn to drum up these doomsday scenarios I don't understand it. It's negative, and in some ways I think it's pretty irresponsible. Musk, on the other hand, quickly responded with his viewpoints. In reply to a Twitter user who uploaded an article regarding Zuckerberg's statements, he retorted, I've talked to Mark about this. His understanding of the subject is limited. So, are you guys enjoying the video? What can be done to prevent AI from eventually resulting in a global conflict? Elon Musk has the answer, but do you? So while you think, do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive instant notification about all our future videos. Elon Musk has repeatedly pushed for the proactive regulation of artificial intelligence because by the time we are reactive in AI regulation, it's too late. Speaking at the U.S. National Governors Association summer meeting in Providence, Rhode Island, Musk said, normally the way regulations are set up is when a bunch of bad things happen, there's a public outcry, and after many years, a regulatory agency is set up to regulate that industry. It takes forever. That in the past has been bad, but not something which represented a fundamental risk to the existence of civilization. AI is the rare case where I think we need to be proactive in regulation instead of reactive. Because I think by the time we are reactive in AI generation, it'll be too late, Musk told the meeting. AI is a fundamental risk to the existence of human civilization. While Musk has expressed his concerns about AI and its development, which is considerably inevitable in some ways, the statements appeared to resonate with a number of the 32 governors in attendance, with follow-up questions seeking proposals for how to regulate AI's development. To better grasp the situation, Musk proposed that the first step would be to set up a government committee that should spend a year or two gaining insight about AI, and then come up with regulations to ensure that it's developed and used safely. This is far from the first time Musk has expressed concerns about the potential negative consequences of AI development. He's previously described it as our biggest existential threat and potentially more dangerous than nukes. Even though the uses of AI are far less exciting than what Musk is discussing, they pose real and immediate problems that need to be addressed before it's too late. So, do you agree with Musk that the Third World War will eventually be caused not by nuclear weapons but by AI? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to watch more of our amazing videos, then stay tuned.